Udkhot jong Meghalaya State Planning Board uba Olan Suiñ ubalong ru MLA ke Mausenram constituency. Hagasi balang jogatayo ulong baga Planning Board kale kendo manla kapor ban kemi benia yagi program jogitanat sarkar. Kamtam ban pentikina bagi de ban pentreka miki scheme hakalenti ke badai. Habai keren bagi nong patai kubor udkhot jong ka Meghalaya State Planning Board uba Olan Suiñ ulong ba kani ke board apa ke jingalam jong chairman u Abu Tahir Mandal kalum jingalang ban kemi bnia ik program jogitanat sarkar ban pentikina bagi de ban pentreka miki scheme hakalenti ke badai bat ka board ka trekam kum ka kenhuat ke ban ajing mod ke sarkar jela ne ke tanat sarkar bakin pet kilat ke batamai ki bakila ban le haga bedai bagi jing kenno ba ka jingdan ke planning board ka long tang ban ai Jaka ya kiriusan perthai uba Olan Suiñ ulong belara ka board ka tang ka Jaka Rieh jong kiriusan perthai kumta kamlong ke badan jingmod Ndrai kila syong ya kijingalang bat penwandor ki senjam ki bari ban syem bat ban pet bagi jela bagi tenat baper ki de ban pentre kam ya barok ki scheme haglenti ke badai bat ki start ru kila dan bentalang ha ke planning board.
Time to time we are calling, we are sitting from time to time under the chairmanship of our AT Mandal sir, who is the chairman of the planning board. We have called the meeting twice and we called the different departments to see what are they are doing, what the programs they are taking up, what programs, and we are discussing what are the shortcomings of the program, what are the problems they face while implementing the program projects. So we discuss and so we give suggestion to the government. What correction, what rectification to be done.
Do we need a planning board? The experts are taking decisions, consultants.
We also involve experts, so members also are involved in the planning board.
I'm saying the consultants are appointed.
No, not. The consultant is only engaged by the different implementing department, because board is only an advisory committee or the board to the government.
No, is it only to rehabilitate politicians? Otherwise, there is no meaning. It appears.
Yeah, of course, we are sitting, we are thinking, we are planning what step next to be taken to see that the state is implement or the different departments is implementing all the scheme in the right direction.
So what are some of the new interventions of the planning board, if you can share please?
Because in planning board is not an implement, we are not implementing any schemes, so we don't have any intervention. Only we can advise to the government or to the department to see some new intervention, whatever necessary we can do it and give some suggestion.
Hagabedai baga jingdahang kali hasilong uba Olan Suiñ ulong baga board kelaya keren bat ki pulet baga tenat korbari ke jela ban pendunai ke jingdahang kali hakanong ba silong bat menta ke jingdahang kali kala syubyang habi nujor bat kisan hendro benai ke belalet bat ka ainuk sa ba mala kapor bulet sha apa silong ka syempor sikenta andre meta kala syempor tangkat san ne arpho minute.
That we have already discussed long time with the police department, with the home department to see to decongest the traffic snarls in Shillong, in whole city of Shillong. And we can see that today we see that comparatively the traffic congestion was a little bit improved compared to the last 5-6 months before. You see that this road while going to Angeli petrol pump, there is a new road which is open now. That has decongested. The bottleneck is removed, and you see that from Shillong, Upper Shillong to Umshirpi, the road is now the 2-lane. This road is near completion. So we see that the traffic congestion is really removed. It's improved to a great extent. While going every time when I go from here to Upper Shillong, it takes 1 hour. But now hardly it takes 15-20 minutes. So I see that in this 1 month I find the difference in the traffic congestion compared to 4-5 months before.
U MLA na kaseng UDP uba Olan Suiñ ula pentep baka jingtay ka Rain Museum hamo senram kalaya chakman. Marak senam gabanwan an sasna pendap no ekne project. Ula ang bagane kan kring bhai kinong jung okai perthai baka jing penwandor ekne ka jingtay ka dairu ka bagi nong wan kai kinyo amat ka jing hap slap hapo jong ka Rain Museum. Uba Olan Suiñ ule tho ban shnaru ya ka pool hagi benta jong ka museum bar ula ang baga jing jet ekne ka Jaka kam syam lakta ai ki Jaka rap namar antay ka Jaka ka basuda. Jaka ka project la pentrai ha ka jing lot ka bakot arbo nyok lur tengka.
The tourism initiative in Muslim, as I have already told you a long time before, started 4-5 months before, that the Rain Museum is under construction now, and we are going to see the light of the day maybe after 1 year. And I have another new proposal also for the development of a peach and plant garden. I have discussed with the chief minister for the unique project. I want to develop a picture plant garden at Lava area, which if you can see now, if you happen to pass through the road from Malaysiang to Lava, you will see in both sides of the road there are so many wild picture plant growing in wild forms. So if this can be developed into the picture plant gardens, I think it will be unique unique area in terms of tourism development. They are suffering. Of course, they are in danger unless we take care. They are in danger unless we take care because of the habitation, because of the wildfire. So I think this picture plant garden will be unique in Meghalaya if you can develop it. I want to see the one day Monsanam should have its own picture plant garden.